Friend, today I want to explain you strong, strong acid and strong acid or base solution. What is the meaning of strong? So first, quantitatively amount of H plus or OH minus present in solution. We can also judge how strong given strong acid or base. But first step, by first is find the amount of H plus or OH minus ion present in solution. We can judge that strong acid or base. Another thing is by mixing universal indicator, which is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicators show different color and different concentration of hydrogen ion in solution. Again, how strong acids are and base solution. So first step is the amount of H plus or OH ion present in solution. We can also judge how strong given acid or base. Another method, by making use of universal indicator, which is a mixture of several indicators. Universal indicators show different color and different concentration of hydrogen ion in solution. Now we have to go for the concentration, that is pH scale. What is the meaning of pH scale? So first, scale measuring hydrogen ion concentration is called pH scale. A scale measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. It is developed by German. So one word, potence. Sorensen is one of the scientists. P stands for potence in German, meaning power. So pH scale can measure from pH from very acidic, that is 0, to the 14 very alkaline. It means strong acid has pH near to 0 and strong base whose pH is near to 14. pH should be thoughts of simply as number which is indicate the acidic or basic. pH is one type of a number. Whether we can say that it is acidic or basic. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower the pH value. Here we have to understand this sentence. Higher the hydronium ion, lower the pH value. It means if pH is equal to 1. If pH is 1, then what? If pH is 1, then concentration of H3O plus is more. So value is lower, pH value is lower because highest pH is 1, range is from 1 to 7. So we can understand that this is the important step, that hydrogen ion concentration more, pH value less. pH value less. Now we have to understand with this. pH of neutral solution is 7. जनरली वाटर वी आर ड्रिंकिंग, हम लोग जो पानी पीते हैं उसका जो pH है वो नियर टू 7 रहता है. सो न्यूट्रल वॉट एवर वी आर ईटिंग, दैट इज न्यूट्रल. वैल्यू लेस देन 7 से कम वैल्यू जो रहता है दे आर एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन. Less than 0 pH value is less than 7, they are acidic solution. The pH value increase from 7 to 14, it represents OH concentration because it is a base. 7 to 14 is a base. So 7 to 14 represent the increase of OH ion concentration. Now OH ion concentration is increasing. Again, pH value is also increasing. If you will see that properly, then generally what we can understand, if pH, here topic is pH 7 to 14, so pH is equal to 14. If I will say pH is equal to 14, so pH 14 means increasing the concentration ion and number is also increasing. While in acid what happen, pH value lower, a hydronium ion concentration more. In base, OH ion concentration more, pH value is also more. That is important difference between acid and base. Now next topic. Generally pH paper there is a one where we have used universal indicator for measuring pH. It is called pH scale, or we can say pH strip. So that is a symbolically way. So acidic nature always increasing H plus ion concentration. Basic nature decreasing H plus ion concentration, increasing OH minus concentration. OH minus concentration increasing, H plus decreasing. We can say base. Base is increasing in nature and neutral is 7. Variation of pH with range of concentration H plus OH ions. So if you will see that in our body, gastric juice are there. pH is between 1.2. Lemon juice pH is 2.2. Pure water always neutral. And blood, we have pH of blood is 7.4. Milk of magnesia, antacid we are calling it here. That is pH 10. So in pH scale, you will see the color. And sodium hydroxide. So 14 pH, strong base. Here is gastric juice, that is mostly HCl. So that is some pH information. Now next. So pH related increasing and decreasing. So pH of battery generally we are using, that is color of this is lemon juice we are using, vinegar we are using in preparation of pickles, that is vinegar is pH is orange juice and tomato juice, all are acidic in nature. Now black coffee, that is slightly acidic. Milk, pure milk, it is near to acidic. In milk, lactic acid is there, so we can say milk is slightly acidic. Seawater pH, they are all basic. Baking soda, washing soda, so they have a pH baking soda. So alkaline means what? When we add water in base, we can say alkaline. So milk of magnesia MgOH twice. Milk of magnesia MgOH twice. That is pH near to 10 because of it is base. Ammonium solution NH4OH, soapy water, bleach, overall liquor, liquid dry cleaners, all are basic in nature and they have dark blue color. While dangers are acidic, so they are red in color. Now pH range of common substance we are using. Gastric, that is in human, pH 1.2 to 6 is acidic. Soft drink, whatever we are taking, that is 2 to 4. Lemons, that is 2.2 to 2.4. Vinegar, that is 2.4 to 3.4. Tomatoes, that is 4 to 4.4. And beer, that is 4 to 5. Now urine over, we are taking the urine test, so it is 4.8 to 8.4. It should be basic or acidic. Cow milk, that is also basic, 6.3 to 6.6. Saliva in our mouth, that is 6.5 to 7.5. Blood plasma, that is 7.3 to 7.5. Egg white, that is 7.6 to 7.8. And milk of magnesia, that is basic and household. So these are all the more basic and these are all the more acidic. More basic and more acidic. So these are all the uses. Now, when we can say it is a strong acid, a strength of acid and base, H plus ion and OH ions. H plus ions and OH ion. If we take hydrochloric acid and acetic acid of the same concentration, say 1 molar, these produce different amount of hydronium ion. Acid that give rise more H plus are called strong acid. So hydrochloric acid is strong acid. Why acidic acid is weak acid? Because it has produced less H plus ion. So we can say it is a weak acid. Formic acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, these are all citric acid. These are produce less H plus ion. So we can say it is weak acid. While hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, HNO3 nitric acid, HNO3 nitric acid, H2SO4, H2SO4. So these are all the strong acid. Why? Because each produce more amount of H plus ion. More amount of H plus ion concentration rise, we can say strong acid. And less amount of H plus ion, we can say weak acid. Same thing we can apply in base also. If OH minus ion produce, OH minus ion produce, we can say more, we can say strong base. And less OH ion produce, we can say weak base. So sodium hydroxide is a strong base and ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. Now importance, this is important related with the exam purpose. Exam में ये important रहता है. Importance of pH in our daily life. So first we start from the plants and elements. Our body work within our pH range, that is 7 to 7.8. Living organism can survive only a narrow range of pH scale. When pH range is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When acid rain flow into the river, the lower pH of the river water and okay. So this is the so related with the acidic rain. So again our body work from 7 to 7.7 pH. Acid rains when it is possible, less than 5.6, it falls on rainfall in the river and lower pH the water. So usually it will be affect the pH related with it. See now nitric acid and sulfuric acid as acid rain. Now we are discussing the pH of our soil backyard. Plant requires specific pH range for their healthy growth. To find out the pH required for healthy growth of the plant, you can collect the soil from the various plant and check pH. So if acidic pH, if plant has a acidic pH, plant soil has acidic soil, then we have to add the base, that is gypsum. Now pH in our digestive system, so that is important. Very interesting to note that stomach produce hydrochloric acid is pH between 1.2. So it helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. It helps in the digestion of food without harming. During the injection of the stomach produce too much acid and this cause pain and irritation. Generally हम लोग बाहर का फूड खाते हैं तो वो एकदम स्पाइसी रहता है और because of this spicy already in our stomach acid is produced and we are eating from outside spicy food, it is also acid. So to get rid of acid pain we are using antacid. One such remedy might be suggested by in the beginning of chapter, that is MgOH, milk of magnesia. So you will see that now is a figure where it will be effect. So it's an antacid we are using. Now pH. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. हमारे दांत में जो tooth decay start होता है when it is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel made up of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate is the hardest substance in our body, but if it also उसी में भी it will be effect because our pH is less than 5.5. It does not dissolve in water but corrodate when the pH is below 5.5 over mouth. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by degradation of the sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating using toothpaste. So we have to use 3 times toothpaste because it will be effect in our teeth. Now by animals and plant through chemical self-defense. So if you will see that one important is that when bee stings leaves as acid which cause pain and lesion. Honeybee, if honeybee bite us, what happened to us? So use of mild base like baking soda on a stung area to relieve it. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid. So here bee stings leaves and acid, his name is methanoic acid. So this is the chart related with the, so when vinegar, acetic acid, sour in milk, lactic acid present. Here nettle in a Hibiscus plants provide which grows in the wild. It leaves will sting hair which cause painful stings when touched accidentally. This is due to methanoic acid secreted by them. So tomato, oxalic acid, nettle sting, ethanol. So this is all the related with the acids. All are, some are strong acids, some are weak acid. So these are the questions related with the, that if you have two solutions, one has solution 6 and one has pH 8, which has more hydrogen ion concentration. So pH is less than 7 indicate the acidic. So here it is 6, so it has acidic more. Which pH is 8, it is called basic. So such type of questions you have to complete in your book.